I'm Zach, and this is my odd garage.
Let's get it started. Oh, we better hurry up and get this thing in the air.
Okay, so this is the return to launch. Oh shit button.
I'm so scared. Yeah, please don't take me out. Oh my gosh! Stop making it come towards us! See, the issue is the camera also can't see it right now.
Okay, blue is forward. Today it was my first time flying my new drone. We did a test, me and Mickey, you can see. Before I used a smaller drone just to practice around the house, get used to the controls. This one is an Iris Plus drone, which is made by 3D Robotics. I think it was made around 5 years ago. Currently the company is shut down. I don't think they make drones anymore. There is a gimbal that goes with it. This video does not have the gimbal active. I took it off. I'm using the static mount. Originally the gimbal is made for the Hero 3, but it's not working right now. I have a USB cable on the way. Once I get it working, I just need to make an adapter plate so it can fit my GoPro Hero 7. Guys, thanks for tuning in. I was graciously gifted this drone from my dad's friends at work, Tim and Larry. Thank you again. Look out for more videos featuring this drone. Hopefully the weather will be a little bit warmer today and the batteries will last a little bit longer. Mickey had to go into the car because her hands are frozen. Mine are pretty cold too. Thank you guys for watching. Tune in next week. I think we'll be doing Kenley's fluids. We're doing them on Tuesdays, so that should be the video next week. Like, subscribe, drop a comment below. Follow me on Instagram. Have a good one.